Technology has transformed an automotive technician light years from what it was 10, 15, 20 years ago. Vehicle technology has changed, information technology has changed, customer expectations have changed. Everything we do has changed from what it was back in the early 90s. Today's technicians need a very different set of skills. It's much more IT driven. There's networking involved. There's diagnostic skills that didn't exist 10 or 15 years ago. Mathematical, scientific, chemical, engineering knowledge that comes to play with battery technology, those kinds of things. Although, of course, all your base mechanical skills are never going to change. Those are going to stay consistent, but there's a lot being layered on top of those that are extraordinarily important. I like hiring asset students because they typically come to the dealer with a base set of knowledge and classwork under their belt that lets them hit the ground running. They have the basic skill sets they need, and then we can help guide them on what we want them to do and how we want the process to work. But they come to us with a basic skill set that we can use from day one.